Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert double line shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert double line arrow shape. Go to the insert menu and click shape drop down menu. Now we can see here many shapes. We find and select the double line shape. Then draw this shape on our page. Now we can see we insert double line shape very easily. You can change the shape color, click the shape and go to the format menu. Then click shape style drop down menu and choose any style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.